Fun with Jay and Han. Today we've got another Booster Bricks box. Yay! Featuring True Brick. It's the Micro Build Minifigs Challenge, Premiere Challenge, Blindfold Challenge, and the Spotlight piece. To help this story come to life, pause when you see a red brick and build the challenge. Happy building! Choo-choo! The next day, as he makes his way down the road to Missy's home, he hears the loud whistles of the train. Premiere Challenge! There are many things about Brick Creek that the passerby enjoy. Minifigs Challenge. It's the Micro Build. Blindfold Challenge. Jareth decides to call it a night and deal with Missy in the morning. The Spotlight piece. Thanks for watching! To get your own Booster Bricks box, go to boosterbricks.com.